I'm about to say something to you that you have likely never heard before. A friend, a family member, a boss. No one has likely ever said these words to you. Are you ready? You can be a creator. For real, you have the skills, the ability, the desire, the drive to be a content creator. If that statement made your brain glitch, then that's very good. The world that we grew up in trained us that creativity was only for young kids, and adulthood was pretty much like mortgages and managing the household stuff. That nobody ever came into career day and said, I make videos from home and brands pay me. You never saw like an artist or a filmmaker or anybody that really made their money through creativity. Maybe if you lived in Los Angeles or some other creative town, maybe you got that. That was not a career I was exposed to. Growing up in rural New Hampshire, it just seemed like there were no creative jobs. And I get it. I mean, being a content creator, making videos from home wasn't an option back then. But that doesn't mean it's not an option today. If you're watching this, you're late 30s, 40s, 50s, and older. Your age is not the barrier. I'm gonna call it your programming. Your programming is the problem. That mindset, that 9-to-5 mentality is the real reason that people over 40 never start creating. It really is just how us Gen Xers were taught that these were the rules that we kind of were instructed to go by. We were raised to play it safe, to not embarrass yourself. Creativity was really seen as a hobby, something you did off when you weren't at work, and that there was this no possible way for you to make money doing something creative. That was the mindset of the day. Get a job, stay there, be loyal, get promoted, get raises, move up the ranks, and then you get your golden watch and you retire. I don't know about you, but I was never really exposed to entrepreneurs, like this entrepreneurial mindset of what it's like to work on your own. My grandma, my Nana, owned a hair salon, but she was not exactly the model of solid entrepreneurial endeavors. Sorry, Nana. we don't have time for therapy in this video. School pushed these legacy careers: doctor, lawyer, accountant, real estate. While we did get to dabble in things like art and music and theater, it was just never really presented in school as a viable, worthy pursuit. Nobody was telling us that you can become a creator. What did I want to be when I was in school? Either an astronaut or the left fielder for the Boston Red Sox. And those didn't quite work out. And if that's you, I mean, it's not your fault. It's decades of conditioning that have just really taught you that creativity isn't valuable in terms of self-worth, and also the ability to provide an income. My story to becoming a full-time creator really started in September of 2022, where I was fired from a video producer job that I absolutely hated. I was so the wrong fit for this job, where I was making videos twice a week, but it was the exact same style of video. We were just kind of shifting out the product and shifting around the script. And I don't do well in that kind of environment. So as I applied to jobs and did that whole thing, I found myself Ubering for bring in that extra income that was going to tide us over until I got that next job. I truly believed I would land another job fast. But a year later, I was still out of work. I had applied to everything I saw on LinkedIn. And, in all those times, I never made it to the actual hiring manager. Like, I didn't make it in that process. I constantly could not fit in. I was depressed. I was stuck. I was frustrated. We were not getting a lot of money. And it was all because I was stubborn enough to keep clinging to that 9-to-5 model. But November of 2023, I found a blog article that was called Your Mom Should Be Doing UGC. And I was introduced to user-generated content, making short-form videos for brands that they use on their social media pages and as ads, and things like Facebook and TikTok. I mean, this was what I was trying to get a job for, but just done in really like a freelance capacity. And I was terrified of that freelance lifestyle. Like, I don't get a steady paycheck or health care. Like, I couldn't possibly do that. I had video experience, but I didn't have any solid short form video experience. I didn't have videos that these brands wanted in my portfolio. And I had every fear that you probably have when you think about creating. What will my friends think? I'm not good on camera. I don't understand how to run a business. Am I actually going to be able to do this? Will this be able to finance our house and all the other household things? But I was at rock bottom and had nothing to lose. So I made 7 UGC example videos, and I made my portfolio. I made my Twitter profile. And in about the 3rd week of January in 2024 was when I started putting myself out there as a UGC creator. And within a few days, I was able to land a $100 deal on Twitter. And that was like winning the Super Bowl to me. But then, a day later, I got a deal for 4 videos for $1,200. And that was life-changing. And it shocked me that I didn't need to go through that system of, interviews and filling out a application. Just people on the internet were willing to give me money. I mean, that really gave me the belief that I could do this. And here I am, still as a full-time creator. I am not special. I had some video experience, but there was a lot of stuff I didn't know how to do. And next month, it'll be 2 years since I've been a full-time older creator. There are good months. There are tough months. That is simply part of the creator life, but we haven't lost the house. We've got rid of the credit cards. We can travel. I hope that you never find yourself in the circumstance where you need to be pushed into doing this as some sort of way to really get money, kind of how I was. I mean, if you are watching this and you have a 9-to-5 job, this is the perfect time for you to start becoming a creator, because your creativity is not tied to income. I've been able to do this, and that is proof that you can do this. The whole point of this channel is for you to see yourself as a creator, somebody who can make money creating content. And I have this philosophy, I guess it's called, is your creative second act, moving into an era or a season, however you want to frame it, of being a older creator. When you download my guide on how to become a UGC creator, shameless plug, you have the opportunity to fill out a survey. And the results from that survey, a lot of people put down of like what they want when they become a creator. And it's, part-time creator, full-time creator, freedom for their job, and work that has meaning. So you're not alone in your desire to be a creator. I want you to build a life that was created by you, not some old expectations from some society. Being a creator at this stage in life gives you an off-ramp from a path that was no longer serving you. You can feel energy and excitement and purpose in your work. You get confidence that grows with every time you make a video. You have an identity that's not like tied to your boss or like a particular job title. It's a way to make money without like begging for overtime or relying on gig apps to give you that additional income that you need. It really comes down to the freedom to reinvent your life. And that's not something that just many of us were given permission how to do, especially when it comes to this creative lifestyle of making creative stuff. I find it gives me hope for what's ahead for the rest of my life. I mean, I can be a creator. I can really be a creator for the rest of my life. Just doing this. There'll always be a need for content from people. Even with AI, there will still be opportunities for creators because we just give that learned experience that ChatGPT will never be able to replicate. Sorry, ChatGPT, it's true. You know, I want you to stop waiting for permission. I want you to stop thinking that gear or tech skills is what's holding you back. You're gonna get confidence in doing creative work after you start doing creative work. You have to start going to build that confidence. Nobody starts completely confident. It's just a myth. You build the confidence as you do the work. You know, simply being a creator isn't about money. It's about doing something that you love and are inspired to do. And your age doesn't matter. Your resume doesn't matter. You can do this with no experience. It doesn't matter how many jobs you've had. You know, doesn't matter if you've been fired multiple times. But as long as you're able to deliver content to the client on time, you are golden. You know, I know if you're here, it's because you identify with the word creator, even if you are not currently brave enough to say it out loud. The idea of this channel is this is your permission slip to step into a new life. Your creative second act starts when you take action. And one of the first things you can do is watch this video, which is all about why doing UGC, what I do, is a great way to start making money as a creator over 40 or even 35. You can come in.